Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today I am wearing hijab cap, this hijab cap with black dupatta. As you guys see, this cap is so beautiful. And this is the black dupatta, chiffon dupatta. And I am wearing double it here. And now somebody is asking me to cover my face with it. So pin it here and cover your face. Now take the long part here, and this is the look complete. It is so easy and amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and do a lot of comments down below. And if you have any request, you can do comments on my latest video. Bye bye guys.